Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to inject the drivers not native to the Windows 7 system onto your Windows 7 USB installation media. As you can see, I'm using a tool from Gigabyte. It is designed for users who want to install Windows 7 onto pre-modern and modern hardwares. And so as you can see, we have the source path. You don't actually need to select anything for that. And for the destination path, once you plug in your USB, it will show up right there, and you can select that. And for the drivers, you can add all three drivers to add all three support to your Windows 7 system. And one thing to note, your USB must be an USB where Windows 7 installation media is installed on it. So as you can see, the USB drive I'm using only has 630 megabytes free on it. So it already has the installation media installed. And once you check that, you can click start. Now all you gotta do is wait. There you have it, guys. Now you have all three drivers installed onto your installation media, and now you can plug in your USB installation media onto any computer and just install Windows 7. It will come with almost native support for USB 3.0 and other features like NVMe SSDs. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Peace.